Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. When choosing a tree to plant in your yard, there are many things to consider. In our area, most urban yards are small and becoming smaller. Homeowners need to choose the right tree to fit their physical yard space. Large growing trees planted in small spaces typically become long-term problems. They require extensive pruning, cause problems with sidewalks, patios, pool decks, roof, and fence lines, and overrun neighboring property. The solution is to plant small growing trees in small spaces. Small trees only reach a height of 20 feet or less. Some may actually be large shrubs trained into tree form. Some examples are desert willows, bay laurels, crepe myrtle, Japanese privet, Texas mountain laurel, and chase trees, to name a few. Small trees can complement the scale of small dwellings, create shade, be easier to maintain, and bring beauty, flowers, fragrance, and wildlife to any yard. To avoid problems in the future, trees should be planted a safe distance from structures, above and below ground utilities, and swimming pools. For example, small trees should be at least 10 feet away from any structures, and large trees should be 20 feet away. Using deciduous trees on the west side allows the winter sun to heat your home while shading it in the hot months. Evergreen trees on the northwest of your home block cold winter winds and should only be used there so they don't block warming winter sun. Trees are an investment in your home and property. Healthy, well-placed trees can increase your property values by 20% or more when mature. So make your selections wisely. Plant them properly, fertilize and prune them when needed, and make sure they have adequate deep irrigation during the warm season. For more helpful information about selecting trees that do best in our area, pick up a free copy of Trees for Tomorrow. This booklet has great information about tree selection and care, along with pictures, descriptions, and detailed characteristics of over 50 tree varieties for our area. It also contains valuable information about tree placement, planting, staking, and care. Pick up your free copy at any Star Nursery location. And while you are there, check out this week's specials that include your choice of our 3 new Dr. Q's organic fertilizers for just $7.99 per bag. Don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.